Friends, good morning. Now I am going to make sevai. It is very popular. It is made in in the festival of Eid. It is very delicious. The ingredients we can we need for make sevai is our sevai, koya, dry fruits. These dry fruits for garnishing and sugar, milk, green cardamom, cloves and bay leaf and desi ghee. I am going to make sevai. So I first of all I turn on the gas and I put the pot on the gas. Hello guys, this is sugar syrup. We need milk, sugar. First of all I put the desi ghee in the pot. First of all I put the desi ghee in the pot. Then I put the green cardamom and cloves 2 or 3 pieces and 1 piece of bay leaf. Then after I put the milk in the pot and then after I put the I am check my sugar syrup. It is now boiling. It takes 15 to 20 minutes in preparing. Now my sugar syrup it is ready. You can see. Now I am going to slow the flame of the gas. Now I am adding the sevai in the sugar syrup. Now I am adding the dry fruits and khoya. In the pot. And stirring the sevai. Now my sevai is ready. It's look very delicious. Uh, I I am going to serve to my sir.